The sun is up. The sun is up. The room is hot. The room is hot. Is the bath clean? Is the bath clean? The food is cold. The food is cold. What is the story? What is the story? The dog is dying. The dog is dying. Tom drove the car. Tom drove the car. Get on the horse. Get on the horse. Keep to the right. Keep to the right. Turn up the TV. Turn up the TV. Clean up the room. Clean up the room. He kicked the ball. He kicked the ball. He broke the law. He broke the law. Put out the light. Put out the light. I play the piano. I play the piano. She's in the bath. She's in the bath. Keep the dog out. Keep the dog out. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. The dog is dead. The dog is dead. I play the violin. I play the violin. The bill, please. The bill, please. The doorbell rang. The doorbell rang. The book is easy. The book is easy. The meeting ended. The meeting ended. The car is ready. The car is ready. The pain has gone. The pain has gone. Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. Where is the pain? Where is the pain? The sky is clear. The sky is clear. What's the matter? What's the matter? The leaves fell. The leaves fell. I won the lottery. I won the lottery. The light is on. The light is on. I will pay the bill. I will pay the bill. We lost the game. We lost the game. Come into the room. Come into the room. Call the police. Call the police. Here comes the bus. Here comes the bus. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. He threw the ball. He threw the ball. The boy is kind. The boy is kind. I am the same age. I am the same age. The area was quiet. The area was quiet. The dog is white. The dog is white. Turn on the radio. Turn on the radio. That's the way. That's the way. Beware of the dog. Beware of the dog. He closed the door. He closed the door. The room was warm. The room was warm. Open the bottle. Open the bottle. He turned the key. He turned the key. The alarm went off. The alarm went off. The curtain fell. The curtain fell. The river is wide. The river is wide. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.